Today I am going to tell you how to make a picture into a link using Word. Go to Word, insert picture, insert link of your channel, write tooltip, save file as HTML format on desktop, run with browser, you will reach to your channel. So you must give all the steps. I have given all these steps in my description. So you can follow it and make your link. And now I am showing how to make it. For that you have to open the new file. You have to create the new file. Just create it. Here you have to insert the link. So go to the insert menu, insert the picture, any picture which you want. I have taken this one and resize it. Suppose you have taken this much size of your picture, then you have to insert the select this picture and insert the hyperlink of your channel. So here you have to select the hyperlink and then you have to insert the channel link. For that, for channel link you have to go to the channel, or I have copied the channel link, so I will get it from here, cancel it and get it from here. This is my channel link, Control C and go to the web browser. Here when you write a channel link name, the channel will open. So this is my channel. So the correct link, so I clear it, it is correct. Then go to the Word. In new document which you are going to make, and click the picture. There are so many are open, it is not working. Minimize it. Now select this one and insert the link. So you have to go there, insert hyperlink and then paste your channel link here. You have to minimize it and then paste the channel link. I copied the channel link and then here you have to paste it. When you paste it, it will ask you a screen tip. So go there and write visit my channel and subscribe if you like, and press OK, and then OK. Then you have to save your file as a HTML format. Home, you have to go to save as, and here you select HTML. So here you have select the HTML format and save your file. Here you have to write the name of your file, channel link try, channel link new 1, or HTML format, then save it. Yes. Then you have to save this on desktop. So go to the desktop and save it. Yes. And go to the desktop. There you have to click on channel link 1, which I have made just now, and this will open your, as you click the picture, this will open your channel. So this is the way you can make a link on picture to go to direct to your channel. So thank you viewers, this is all today. If you like it, please share and subscribe. Thank you.